Away they go, boss. Pogi from the outside, Apple Green down on the inside, Fearless alongside Storm Play, is Strike Force, Racing Pip, and entry number 2, Lord Gold, is the early trailer by about 10 to 11 lengths of the leader, Boss Pogi, by about 2 lengths, followed by the favorite, Apple Green in second, Storm Play racing on the outside, third, fourth, Fearless, and entering the far turn, Boss Pogi, still leading by about 2 lengths, getting closer, the favorite, Apple Green, together with Storm Play, and rounding the far turn, Boss Pogi, Apple Green, Storm Play's racing on the outside, as they race the final corner. Boss Pogi in the middle. Apple Green by the rail and on the outside. Storm Play. Apple Green. Boss Pogi in the middle. Storm Play from the outside. Apple Green. Boss Pogi. Storm Play. Apple Green by a length and a half. Boss Pogi. Storm Play on the outside. Apple Green. Boss Pogi once again in between runners. And finally, Boss Pogi. Second, close. Storm Play. Apple Green.
Ayan. Meron tayong crossing the wire first. May nakalimutan si John Cote.